Hello everyone, just want to do a review on these string lights that we purchased. First impression, they are awesome. So we need some more lights in our backyard. It was kind of dull when the spotlight up here is off. So yeah, they're super long, which I like. I only needed one string and the wall is actually pretty decent size. It's wrapped pretty much all the way from here to the other side. So there is an app for this, but there's a lot of different things. If you could see right here, you can mess with color, get it more customized, the speed, make it jump. You could make it faster, slower, whatever you want. You could even set a timer on here. It does have a button right here, and these things have so many different functions and options. It's great. So I'll just show you. I'll go through a little bit of them right now. So there's changing the colors. I mean, it has pretty much every color you want. They flash, change different colors. They have this. They have some of them that chase. It's pretty cool. So I definitely recommend. I like these. I love that they're long. They're not glass, so they seem like they're gonna last a long time. They're very bright with the lights off, and it gives the backyard a cool look to it. So very impressed. You also have the option on the remote right here. So this is where you press it, and yeah, it works just fine. So thank you guys, and hopefully you enjoy. I definitely recommend.